If you're facing this ban message inside Fortnite or any of your favorite games, this is the video for you. We're checking out Vertex's services Permanent Spoofer, which is an application designed to get you unbanned in just one click. You're not going to want to miss out on today's video because Vertex has been dominating the competition for over 10 years. That's an insane amount of time to be selling a product, and he wants to share it with you guys. He has thousands of clients and thousands of reviews, so you're guaranteed to have a great time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. After you get on over to Vertex's website, scroll down and click on the permanent HWID, then you're going to see the one time and the lifetime. If you're going to continue cheating, it's my recommendation that you go with the lifetime key, but if you're going to stop cheating, I would go with the one time. Then you'll see all the features this spoofer has, then going back up, add it to your cart and check out. Before spoofing our device, let's save all our current serials to our desktop. After loading into the spoofer, you can check your serials up here, and then you have the spoofer. You can go ahead and ARP spoof or GPU spoof, and once you're ready, click on spoof, choose your motherboard, and I'll see you guys once we're done. As you guys just saw, we went ahead and spoofed, so opening up our after serials, we can see everything has gone ahead and changed. This proves Vertex was 100% successful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.